From scary sharks and spiders to killer crocs attacking fishermen, here are 21 of the deadliest wild creatures in Oz.
Damn, nature, you scary.
And shout out this time going to Rogello Mondragon, who's letting us know he likes the epic wildlife content. We appreciate that, mate, and if you and our subscribers keep watching them, we'll keep making them. How's that? Thanks for all that great support, and cheers! Number 21. Swarming soldier beetles. These insects are known to attack en masse, as in some 10,000 individual creatures swarming per attack. While they don't carry a toxin, the beetles will spray their aggressors with a chemical fluid which can be painful enough to discourage a confrontation. Paralysis Tick. So does it look too small to be so scary? Well, consider that this little critter lives up to its name. Bites from this fella are known to cause paralysis and extreme allergic reactions. It's about one of 75 ticks that can be found in Australia, usually along the country's eastern coastline. Flying fox. While it is colloquially known as a flying fox, this creature is actually the largest bat in the world. They can weigh over 3 pounds and have a wingspan of nearly 5 feet. Now, unlike the smaller brethren, these big bats don't possess echolocation. They navigate the way using their excellent eyesight and sense of smell, and usually feed on nectar, pollen, and fruit. So to be fair, we included this one because it looks a lot deadlier than it really is. Cassowary. The big prehistoric-looking flightless bird doesn't necessarily dine on humans, but it is an omnivore that eats small mammals, insects, and amphibians. It's usually shy, but will attack when provoked. They can use the razor-sharp claws found on the feet to effectively disembowel an attacker. Platypus. The odd-looking creature is endemic to eastern Australia and Tasmania, and it lays eggs instead of giving birth, something of which only a few of the world's mammals are capable of. It's also one of the few mammals that are venomous. The male platypus has spurs on the hindfoot that can deliver a venom that's strong enough to kill dogs. In humans, it can produce an intense pain that can be incapacitating. Scrub python. Australia's biggest snake can reach a length of more than 27 feet and dines on birds and large mammals, which includes kangaroos. While it has no venom, it's a constrictor snake that can choke its victims to death or eat them alive. And FYI, these creatures are known to invade houses. Dingoes. Australia's large predator looks like a dog breed, but it isn't. The animals are considered semi-domesticated and could be as much wolf as dog, but they're considered to be a unique canine subspecies. The apex predator is found in a variety of habitats, including rainforests. Its diet includes lizards, birds, and the occasional kangaroo. Did you know that dingoes became such a pest to farmers that the world's longest fence, at one time over 5,300 miles long, was constructed to keep them out? Common lionfish. Like many toxic critters, these fish can display some dazzling colors and patterns. Their spiky fin rays are toxic and can pose a danger to fishermen or divers. Most healthy adults will experience moderate discomfort. Those who are allergic to the venom are prone to reactions that can become fatal if not immediately treated. Australian honeybee. Now this is actually a European honeybee that was brought to Australia in 1822. It's considered one of the world's most lethal insects, and its venom can kill anyone who is allergic to it. Allergic reactions can include symptoms of anaphylactic shock, during which blood pressure plummets and airways can be obstructed. Each year, the sting of this creature claims 1 or 2 Australian lives. On an annual basis, the little bee kills more people than spiders and sharks. Stingray. These distant relatives of sharks can be friendly, such as the manta ray. Others, like the Australian stingray, will attack anyone unfortunate enough to step on them, striking with the barbed tip of the tail, which carries a venomous sting. It only attacks when it feels threatened, but if you're wading along the beach, you best watch yourself. blue-ringed octopus. The unique design and coloration make this small predator difficult to miss, although you would be better off steering clear. The animal has blue blood, 3 hearts, and a neurotoxic venom powerful enough to kill more than 25 adult humans within minutes. When it's agitated, clumps of those pretty blue rings appear and start to pulsate. Cone snail. These predatory sea snails look very pretty, but getting stung by one could have some ugly consequences. These critters have a harpoon-like structure in their proboscis, which they use to inject the prey with venom. Depending on the species of cone snail, the venom can prove fatal to humans. Did you know the snail's venom has been used to create a pain reliever that is 1,000 times more powerful than morphine? Redback Spider. This arachnid is a member of the widow spider genus, but is indigenous to Australia. They're found in a variety of habitats, including urban areas. The most serious bites come courtesy of the female redback, identified by the red stripe on its back, which inspires its name. The venom is potentially dangerous to humans, but the main symptoms are severe persistent pain, which can last from several hours to days. Around 2,000 redback spider bites are reported each year, but no deaths have been reported since the 1950s, when redback antivenom became available. Stonefish. Victims of this creature's venom have experienced effects like needing to urgently vomit due to the intense pain, and feeling like the body slipped into a state of shock. The stonefish is regarded as one of the most venomous fish in the world. Its name refers to the creature's natural camouflage, which makes it appear like a rock. With its venom located in its fins, unwary swimmers can accidentally step on it. Sydney funnelweb spider. Usually found within a 100-kilometer radius of Sydney, it belongs to a group of arachnids identified as Australian funnelweb spiders. Its venom is deadly only to humans and primates, yet does not affect the nervous system of other mammals, but it can kill an adult human in less than 30 minutes. Eastern brown snake. This reptile can become aggressive when provoked and is found throughout a wide range of Oz. It's considered to be the world's second most venomous land snake. Little wonder the creature is said to account for around 60% of snake bite deaths reported in Australia. Its venom can cause paralysis and cardiac arrest. If left untreated, the bite can be fatal. Sea wasp. Now this is another name for the box jellyfish, which contains venom powerful enough to kill 60 adult humans. The sting causes agonizing pain, along with a burning sensation that's been compared to flesh being seared on a red-hot stove. In Australia, up to 80 deaths have been blamed on this box jellyfish over the past 150 years. Those stats have improved since an antivenom was introduced and is utilized in serious cases. Bull shark. Aside from South Africa, Australia may have the worst reputation for shark attacks. While great white sharks and tiger sharks are found in Aussie waters, it's the bull shark that is thought to pose more danger to humans than any other species. It can live in freshwater or saltwater environments and is considered one of the most dangerous sharks on Earth. These aggressive creatures are commonly found worldwide. In Australia, more than 500 of the animals are thought to be swimming in the Brisbane River. Crocodiles, close up. Now, a lot of people seem to think that this image comes from a postcard that probably reads something like, "Welcome to Australia," or just plain, "Nope." Or they think it might come from an ad for an extreme sporting adventure tour. But our sources indicate the picture is taken from a real-life incident where a fisherman in Oz was teasing the big reptile, only to have it suddenly burst out of the water and snap at him. That could have made for a catastrophic crocodile close-up. Saltwater crocodiles, or salties, are the largest of all extant reptiles and can weigh around 2,500 pounds as adults. Thanks to their immense size and bad attitudes, they're considered the deadliest living crocodilians to humans. And as if Australia did not have enough of these critters, did you know that there's also a smaller, less aggressive croc in Oz that lives in freshwater and is called, appropriately, a freshie? But they can live in saltwater too. Inland taipan. Now, we told you about the eastern brown snake being the world's second most venomous snake, but did you know the world's #1 most venomous snake also resides in Australia? Now that is quite a claim to fame. Well, one bite from this creature yields 110 milligrams of venom, and that's powerful enough to kill 100 humans or 250,000 mice. That makes its venom the most toxic of any land snake in the world. The good news is, these snakes are rarely encountered by humans in the wild and are not known for their aggression. Irukandji jellyfish. Now here's another small animal known to cause a big hit. Venom from this critter can induce back and kidney pain, vomiting, cramps, and even induce fatal brain hemorrhages. Victims can even experience a psychological response of impending doom called Irukandji syndrome. It's not only the smallest box jellyfish in the world, it's also the most venomous, with a sting 100 times as potent as a cobra's. It's usually found in the northern waters of Australia, just in case you want to stay away.
Damn, nature, you scary.